In this quick setup guide, I'll show you how you can connect your Apple TV 4K first, second, or third generation to your Hisense Google TV and adjust some important settings for seamless entertainment. First, make sure that you have connected your Apple TV to your Hisense TV via HDMI cable and also the power cord is inserted properly. And after receiving power, your Apple TV should turn on by itself. If it doesn't, just grab the Apple TV remote and then turn it on. After that, the Apple TV will be detected, and to switch to it, just open the input option and select the HDMI port that your Apple TV is connected to. Now, if you want to control your Apple TV seamlessly without needing your Hisense TV remote, then you'll need to turn on HDMI-CEC. To do that, first open Settings on your Apple TV, then go down to Remotes and Devices. Scroll down to Control TV and Receivers, and as you can see, this is the HDMI-CEC option. Just press OK to turn it on, and also make sure it's turned on your TV. Now whenever you press your Apple TV remote, it will take you straight to your Apple TV, and turning your Apple TV off or on will also control the power of your Hisense TV and vice versa. Last but not least, if you want to unleash the true power and picture quality of your Apple TV 4K, then you'll need to adjust the stock picture settings for best image quality. So you can check out our Hisense TV's best picture settings guide. And that's all. If you found this useful, make sure to drop a like, subscribe for more useful guides, and enjoy.